Hello, today I will make Chatpata Chicken. To make Chatpata Chicken, I will take 500 grams boneless chicken, cut them into medium sized pieces, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, add salt to it, add 1 teaspoon chilli powder, mix well. Marinate it for 30 minutes. Now let's prepare the ingredients. Slit cut 4 to 5 green chillies, 1 inch ginger chopped, 4 to 5 garlic cloves roughly chopped. Now add 2 teaspoons of white oil. To that, add all the chopped ginger and garlic. Saute it until the raw smell goes away. Keep the heat medium. Add the marinated chicken, add the slit green chilies, and saute it on medium heat for 5 minutes. After that, add 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, and 1 cup of curd. Mix it well in a medium heat and the curd will split. Don't add extra water as the curd will release more water. Also, the recipe is dry. Don't worry if the curd has split because it will be cooked and the split will go away. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar to it. After 3 minutes, the curd is cooked well and cover and cook the chicken on low heat. After that, the chicken is cooked and the gravy will be this much only. Taste the chicken before turning off the heat and add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Give it a mix and serve it hot with naan or chapati.